BIDS Advantage was built by business development professionals for business development professionals. It's a tool belt for us to do our job more effectively, which ultimately will save time and money for your corporation.
From the homepage, head straight to your dashboard. From here, you can access opportunities from 3 major databases: federal and provincial contracts over $10,000, opportunities under $10,000, and a national Indigenous business directory. You can filter solicitations by contract type, province or territory, and the status, whether the opportunity is open, closed, or awarded. Each opportunity includes a fit score so you can quickly decide whether it's worth pursuing. Let's open one. Inside the contract details, you'll see nearby Indigenous and Inuit businesses, along with local small and medium-sized companies, making finding relevant partners fast and intuitive. Looking for contract in a specific industry or within a particular scope? Search with our AI assistant Yodo to instantly surface the most relevant opportunities. Our AI Yodo is purpose-trained on procurement language, policy structures, and compliance signals, delivering higher quality results than generic AI and producing pink team-ready drafts your team can build from. The Proposal Response Workshop lets you choose the right framework, from a go/no-go decision to a full statement of work response or a statement of requirements and RFQ. Select what you need, upload documents, and Yodo generates aligned outputs, including go/no-go analysis, subcontractor quote requests, and a refined proposal response. BIDS Advantage is a purpose-built tool belt for modern business development. From discovery and fit assessment to partner identification and proposal creation, every tool works together to help you focus on winning.